Jesus,
We're going to Baguio.
Siguro may mga tog na dito na mamuli na.
No, we'll be spending Valentine's there. So he's our driver.
Hello.
Jefferson.
My name is Jefferson.
From Taguig.
And
And there's my mother, there's Tita. And there's my auntie, Enya, a retired teacher. And this is my auntie also, Stina. Mga byudas.
Beauty siya.
Single days, single.
Tarong alba.
Wala na may mga bana. Oh, wala yung mga bana. And si Undoy sa likod. Undoy.
Siya yung asawa.
Ako rin. So, Jeff, can you tell us saan tayo?
sa Makati.
Makati tayo.
Bigas bibili.
Bigas. So, because we're from Mindanao, and my mother's in sa education industry. I mean to say, teachers. We're a family of teachers. Father was a teacher, and my aunties are teachers.